So we're here today showing our new quick release button kit for the C6 and C7 Corvettes. As you can see, it comes with a nice 3D printed MJF processed Nylon PA12 quick release clamp, and it comes with a high amp quick release button along with a curly cord 2 conductor that's capable of 10 amps of current. So installation's easy on these. So the main thing is we wanted something for the guys that cannot run a racing steering wheel, and obviously have to stick with the OEM. So you'll wire it in like normal, but you're gonna come in over here, and this is contoured to fit on the factory steering wheel like so, and you just click it in like that. And so once you have that, you can use this as normal. As soon as you pull up to the line or whatever you want to do, so you can use this for rolling anti-lag, launch control, nitrous. You can use it for any sort of things that you want to program. Obviously you're going to wire this into whatever you want to control. Before this, you'd have a button that's stuck to the steering wheel, and the cord usually gets wrapped around everything, and usually it pulls on something at some point and pulls the pins, breaks the wire, and then you're ending up with a switch that don't work when you need to. So with this, when you're done, as you can see here, we have a quick release right there. You can just come in here, undo that, and you have a regular steering wheel again, and you don't have to worry about anything getting caught up. So these are now live on our online store and are for sale. Can ship out immediately. Thanks for watching.